This is Rebecca from Snap with another video tutorial on making updates to your website, and this time on creating headings and editing headings on your website. So you need to of course be signed into your CMS and then just click on the page that you need to edit from the main view. So what we're going to be doing here is creating a heading, which is I guess a title for the web page. It's usually text that's a little bit larger than the surrounding text and usually a little bit more bold, possibly even a different color. And headings are already defined in your website, so you might even find that they're already used on the site itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some edits to this text that's already on the page here, and I'm going to just make it easier for myself so that I'm not having to scroll quite so much by clicking on the toggle full screen mode, which is this top left button here. So that just spreads it all out into the one window, just so that it's a little bit easier to work with. So what I want to do is I want to make this first section here, this first 5 words, a heading. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to isolate it on its own line. So I'm just going to pop it there. And all I'll need to do is highlight it here and click on this down arrow here to the formatting. So by default, everything that you type is going to be formatted as a paragraph. So when you click on the little down arrow here, you can see that there's a few other already pre-formatted versions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select heading 1 here. This is the most important section, so I'm wanting this to be the title of my page here, so I'm just going to click on heading 1, and just for argument's sake it also has a little subtitle which I'm going to use as a heading 2, so this heading 2 here. So you can see it gives me a little bit of a preview here. So this is the largest and most bold font, and this one here is a little bit smaller again. So if I just go back into the main view here and save this page and go into the preview of the website and that page there. So you can see here we have our heading 1 text, main header, and then this one here which is this heading 2, which is a little bit smaller, but just to the eye here there's not really that much of a difference between them. So if I go back into my CMS here again, and instead of putting this one at heading 2, I might just put it on heading 4, a little bit smaller again, save the page, go back out here into the demo page and just refresh it. And you can see there it's made it smaller again so that it's more of a subheading. So very easy to do. If you prefer, you can actually, instead of using the headings, which are these predefined colours and sizes, you can do it manually, which I'll do in a little separate tutorial, which will be the one that follows after this one. So once you're happy, of course, save the page and don't forget to click on Publish Website.